XJ6 marks the return of an iconic nameplate, blending heritage with cutting-edge technology and modern luxury. As Jaguar transitions into an all-electric brand, the XJ6 stands as a refined expression of British automotive craftsmanship, offering a unique balance of performance, comfort, and sustainability. With an all-electric powertrain and a sleek, aerodynamic design, the new XJ6 embodies the brand's commitment to innovation while retaining the elegance and charm that have defined Jaguar sedans for decades. At first glance, the 2025 XJ6 captivates with its smooth, sculpted body lines, a bold front grille, and slim LED headlights that enhance its futuristic appeal. The long wheelbase design ensures a commanding road presence while maintaining the sporty proportions Jaguar is known for. The use of lightweight materials, including aluminum and carbon fiber elements, improves efficiency and handling, making the XJ6 as agile as it is luxurious. The flush door handles, aerodynamic side mirrors, and subtle rear spoiler contribute to its efficiency by reducing drag. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, the 2025 Jaguar XJ6 features a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. The dual-motor setup delivers an impressive 550 horsepower, enabling the luxury sedan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. With all-wheel drive and an advanced torque vectoring system, the XJ6 provides exceptional grip and stability in various driving conditions. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, automatically adjusting to road conditions for optimal comfort and performance. The battery pack offers a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, supported by ultra-fast charging capabilities that allow an 80% charge in just 30 minutes. Inside the cabin, the XJ6 is a masterpiece of modern luxury. The spacious interior is wrapped in premium materials, including sustainable leather alternatives and natural wood veneers. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch OLED touchscreen that seamlessly integrates Jaguar's latest infotainment system. With voice recognition, AI-powered personalization, and over-the-air updates, the system ensures the XJ6 remains technologically advanced throughout its lifespan. A premium Meridian sound system provides an immersive audio experience, while ambient lighting enhances the sophisticated atmosphere. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class seating with massage functions, a panoramic sunroof, and individual entertainment screens, making the XJ6 a true luxury experience for all occupants. Jaguar has equipped the XJ6 with the latest in autonomous driving technology, including advanced driver assistance systems that offer semi-autonomous capabilities. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking make daily commutes effortless. The AI-powered safety suite continuously learns from driving patterns, ensuring enhanced protection for both occupants and pedestrians. The vehicle's connectivity features allow seamless smartphone integration, remote access, and smart home compatibility, ensuring a truly modern driving experience. Sustainability is a key focus for the 2025 XJ6, with Jaguar emphasizing eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient production methods. The battery pack is designed for longevity and recyclability, aligning with the brand's commitment to reducing environmental impact. Additionally, the regenerative braking system maximizes energy efficiency, further extending the driving range. With the 2025 XJ6, Jaguar redefines luxury sedans, combining breathtaking performance with sophisticated design and cutting-edge technology. As the automotive industry shifts toward electrification, the XJ6 stands as a testament to Jaguar's ability to evolve while preserving its rich legacy. This electric luxury sedan not only pays homage to its predecessors but also sets new standards in the world of premium electric vehicles.